this cell, there cannot be any activity in this cell. It is actionless because it is complete. It is perfect. What is the purpose of action? To make some change, to make some reform, to create, to destroy, to modify. This is the purpose of work. But this cell is complete. It is complete. So there is no need. And in nature, external nature or internal nature, by internal nature I mean this body, vital force, prana, manas, thoughts, intellect, ego. This is internal nature. So in internal nature and in external nature, activity cannot be stopped. See the difference. There cannot be any activity in the cell which is complete, perfect. And you cannot stop the activity in the nature. And this nature is comprised of three modalities: sattva, rajas and tamas. Sattva means desire to know. Rajas means desire to possess. And tamas means ignorance, idleness, sleep, covering. So you must differentiate between the two. Who am I? Who am I? Right from the beginning of civilization, man has been searching for the answer. Who am I? What am I? And West has done researches in the external thing. Western scientists, they have been experimenting doing researches in external things, matter, energy, everything there. And they have been successful there. But they do not have contentment. The real contentment is research here in East. The right direction. You can have luxury, comfort, all sorts of machinery, all sorts of comforts, but you cannot have rest. You cannot have peace unless and until you form your direction. So that is what yoga is meant for. Swami Vivekananda has prescribed us 4 yogas: Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Raja Yoga and Jnana. Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Raja Yoga and Jnana Yoga. These are 4 methods, 4 paths to attain the truth. In Gita, Lord Krishna has in so many occasions he has hinted that who thinks that a man who thinks that he is the doer or he is the enjoyer, he is at fault. Doership and enjoyership exist in the nature. And what we are the simple witness, pure consciousness. We are witness. Nowadays, number of insane people have gone up. Why? Because we do not know this simple truth that we are witness. We do not do anything. We only witness. See the form of Lord Jagannath. Is there any hands? Is there any complete legs? But who big eyes? What does it indicate? He is the eternal witness. And we are in part of it. We all are part. So we are also witness. So when you witness a thing being done, when you witness a work being done, you are not affected. A witness is not affected. when a crime is happening, a witness is not affected. He narrates just as the things he has seen. So this cell is witness. There are 3 states where this individual goes through every day. Write it down: waking, dream, and deep sleep. 3 states we are passing through. But all the 3 states are coming and going. But what is staying? Your cell. The cell, or the essential cell, capital I, it is immovable. There is no action there. Fixed. Achala. Nitya sarvagata sthanu. Achaloyam sanata. And the 3 states are coming and going. And the 3 states are mutually exclusive. When there is waking state, there is no dream and deep sleep. When there is dream, there is no waking or deep sleep. When there is deep sleep, there is no waking. During waking state, our sense organs function and interacts with the external world. And according to our likes and dislikes, we experience external sorrows and happiness. Waking state. This comprises of almost 16 hours out of 24 hours. We have interactions with the external world. What happens when we sleep? What happens? 2 states are there. One is dream state and another is deep sleep state. During dream, the external sense organs, they take rest. But our mind functions. Our vital functions also, they also continue. But our mind, there also it searches happiness. This mind searches happiness during the waking state. Through the sense organs. Sight, touch, smell, all these through 5 sense organs, the mind tries to achieve pleasure, attain pleasure. But it could not get. So it tried in the dream state also. Even in the dream, it tried to search pleasure. And we see so many things in the dream. From which place the things or persons come in the dream? You see an elephant in the dream. Does the elephant come from outside? It comes from inside. Actually, we become all these things. We become all those things in the dream. There is a peculiar nature in your dream. You see other persons in the dream, and you see your body also in the dream. Is not it? If you take out your body, no dream is possible. You are the experiencer of the dream also, and you are the objects of the dream also. And in which light you see the dream? Does sunlight come there? Does moonlight come, or does a candle light or fire come? So in which light you see dream? Light itself. Naturally. So you experience gross happiness and gross sorrow during the waking state. You are not satisfied. Mind is not satisfied. In the dream state also you experience subtle sorrow and subtle happiness. You eat rasgulla and somebody slaps also in your dream, and that seems very real to you. You know it? Dream becomes very real. And what happens in the deep sleep state? The mind, intellect, they take rest. They resign from their duty, from searching pleasure. बस आज इतना ही मैं समझ गया. Mind rest. Then you experience the highest pleasure in the deep sleep. The highest happiness ever in this earth. And the happiness experienced by everybody is the same. No difference at all. Whether a person is sleeping in a very soft pillow, or a person sleeping on a stone, in the deep sleep, both are experiencing the same amount of happiness. From where that happiness comes? From where that happiness comes? Does it come from outside? No. There Vedanta comes into play. You are the source of all happiness. The happiness of Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara are just waves of the ocean that you are. They are just waves. You are the ocean of bliss. You are the ocean of happiness. And you are experiencing it with ignorance. You do not know. You are not aware of the happiness at that time. When you wake up, you think that, oh, what is sleep? Long 7 hours, it was like 5 seconds. It is not universal experience. Experience for all. Americans, Indians, Hindu, Muslim, everybody experiences this only. There is no time, there is no space in deep sleep. No creation in the deep sleep. No multiplicity. Only oneness. The oneness that Swamiji himself. You are that one. So what is our duty now? During the waking state, how we experience that bliss. That is what a yogi, what a jnani experiences. What is the way? What is the method? The method is to see one in all. One has become the all. Sir, Principal Sir was telling about Chatusloki Gita. Chatusloki Bhagavata. That before this creation, one was there. During this creation, that one is there. After the dissolution of the creation, one will be there. That one appears such many. The many we see in the dream, the many we see in the waking state, those are appearances, not really. One cotton, one thread appears as different dresses. One gold appears as different ornaments. One clay appears as brick, pitcher, lamp. So we should train our intellect to see the one in many. All problems vanish. No war, no fight, no battle, no problem at all. No pronouns are there. Neither I, nor you, nor he, nor she, nor they. Only one. So whom will you fight if there is only one? If you are only in the universe, with whom will you fight? That is what Vedanta says, that is Jnana Yoga. But to digest this simple truth, we have to prepare our intellect. Our mind must be one-pointed. Our intellect must be subtle. And our body must be stable. For that, Raja Yoga is prescribed. Dhyana Dharana. Let us do that Raja Yoga in practical. Theory you understand that the ultimate truth is that we are that ultimate truth. I am that ultimate truth. I am in everybody. Everybody is in me. Vishwarupa, Lord Sri Krishna shows to Arjuna. Arjuna even sees himself in Krishna. Is not it? Everything is in Krishna. And Krishna is in everything. Vishwarupa. You are also there. But how to realize? Religion is realization, not theory. And for that we will practice Raja Yoga. Let us practice. Please sit straight. Body. Let the body be straight. We'll witness. See, what is the point? Witnessing. Work will be, activity will be going on in the nature, internal nature. But we will be detaching ourselves from that. And we will be weakness. You know the difference. आज से पहले और आज के बाद life will be different. Seeing from the different angle we see the universe, with ourselves. Previous to that, we are thinking about in terms of body. I am such and such person. I am born in this family. I am reading such and such things. This is true, but relatively true, not absolutely true. Absolutely doing something else that we are going to experience. Real adventure. So please sit straight, everybody. Right hand on the left hand, on the left. Eyeballs little raised. Let the eyes be closed. Listen to the different sounds coming from outside, external sounds. Do not judge any sound as good or bad. Just listen. Imagine the picture of your mother. Pay homage to her, respect to her. Imagine picture of your father. Pay respect to her. And imagine all the teachers from whom you have learned something or other spiritually. Pay gratitude to them. Now, imagine the picture of Swami Vivekananda. His eyes, his face, his turban, the fearlessness in him, the courage in him, the wisdom in him, the extraordinary memory power in him, the eloquence in him. The quality you focus your attention. The more you focus, all the quality will come to you. All this quality will be yours. Now, count from 100 to 1 slowly. 100 to 1 slowly. With the eyeballs raised at about 1 second interval. Focus on the counting. chanting is over, just do nothing. Be a witness to the thoughts that are coming in the mind. You are the witness of the thoughts. You are not flowing with the thoughts. मनोबुद्ध्यंकार चित्तानिनाहम न च श्रोत्र जीवे न च घ्राण नेत्रे न च व्योमर भूमिर न तेजो न वायु चित् आनंद रूपः शिवोहम शिवः न च प्राण सज्ञो न वे पंच वायुः न वा सप्त धातु न वा पंचकोशः न वाक्पाणि पादं न चोपस्थ पायुः चिदानंद रूपः शिवोहम न मे द्वेष रागो न मे लोभ मोहो मदो नैव मे नैव मात्सर्य भावः न धर्मो न चार्थो न कामो न मोक्षः चिदानंद रूपः शिवोहम शिवः न पुण्यं न पापं न सौख्यं न दुःखं न मंत्रो न तीर्था न वेदा न यज्ञ अहम भोजनं नैव भोज्यं न भोक्ता चिदानंद रूपः शिवोहम शिवः न मे मृत्यु शंका न मे जाति भेदा पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्म न बंधुर न मित्रम गुरु नैव शिष्यः चिदानंद रूपः शिवोहम शिवः अहम निर्विकल्पो निराकार रूपो विभुत्वाच्च सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणां सदा मे समत्वं न बंध न मुक्ति चिदानंद रूपः शिवोहम शिवः नाहं मनुष्यो न च देव यक्षो न ब्राह्मण्य क्षत्रिय न वैश्य शूद्रः नाहं ब्रह्मचारी न गृही न वनस्थो भिक्षु न चाहं निजबोधरो Feel the truth that you are. Feel the joy that you are. Feel the awareness, knowledge, consciousness that you are. You are in everything. Everything is in you. Let us do a small prayer. Asato ma sadgamaya. Everybody. Asato ma sadgamaya. Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya. Mrityurma amritam gamaya. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् ओम शांति शांति शांति. Take your time and open your eyes. Not awareness. You are unaware of what you are doing. But you are witness. Be a witness now also. Be a witness now. That is our real nature. So questions are invited. Actually, two other yogas are there, Karma Yoga and Bhakti Yoga. That also we know. There are three errors in our intellect. That is three errors. Mala dosha, impurity, vikshepa dosha, dissipation, and avarana dosha, covering. But three doshas, three things are prescribed. Niskama karma is prescribed for mala dosha. Actually, whatever deeds we are doing, whatever work we are doing, selfishness is involved. But when without any self-interest we do something, even a small thing, that clears our card in our Mala dosha. And for Vikshepa dosha, we have to do upasana, Niskama upasana, Niskama upasana, without asking anything from God. Just love God, love for love's sake, unconditional love. Then only our mind will stop hovering. vegetables, and for avarana dosha, this knowledge is required, self-knowledge. So for some people, those in their past lives, they have acquired this samskara. For them, instant realization will happen. Instant realization. Matchbox, match, striking and match. For those who have little bit less sanskara, for them they have to work hard. Meditation and niskama karma and all this will work. And for those who are very die-hard, for them they have to practice this thing, wait for some time. But goal is same. Everybody will come to that know, to realize that oneness. No other way. Tameva viditva iti mrityumeti nanyah vatha vidyajana. By knowing that ancient one, by knowing that self only, one can transcend this barrier of birth and death. There is no other way out. Nanyah vatha vidyajana. Questions are in fact.
Any question you want to put? If we have properly understood, then we can ask questions. If we have not understood and viewed listeners, then there should be no question.
For realization, Swami says, realization can happen now and here. No further delay. Realization is now and here. In this very moment. It is not something like credit after some years or after this part or no. It is there here and now. Please ask some questions because others will go benefited by asking one question. First, we have to observe mauna, silence. See, after the meditation, everybody talks to sharing experience. That is there, okay, I understand. But mauna is the right path, silence. अभी क्या होता था? 8 साल, 10 साल साइलेंस में मौन रह करके एक सवाल पूछते थे. One question.
That answer would be correct.
One question, relevant question. By remaining silent. For years, we are not able to remain silent for 5 minutes. I am hopeful. Every great journey begins with a small step. If you are determined that I have faith in this, I will not stop until this will be, this I will arise and awake. Till you slowly reach. We have to arise during the waking state also by remaining aware of everything. First, become aware of the physical activity. How the body is sitting, what is the position of the fingers. Even the blinking of the eyes also you will be aware. Then the awareness of breathing. Then the awareness of thoughts. Lastly, aware of the emotions. That is most difficult. The rules in the body. Emotions rule the world. You know, law. See, there have been so many kings have come. So many kings have gone. Alexander came and he also went, but nobody remembers him. But people remember. Christ. Why? We have taught the innermost part of ourselves. And in every word of Swami Vivekananda will feel that. Every word. Rama he said, I have not read Swami Vivekananda without experiencing a chill, an electric shock in my inner being. The goal, but you have other goals also. It is not against the real goal. you can achieve. You are a student, you have a goal in your mind, but for that you must prepare yourself properly. There is a lens, there is a paper, and there is sunlight. If you do not put the lens in proper distance, and if you do not fix the lens, paper will not burn. That is our mind. You must learn how to use your mind. Mind is our instrument. Our instrument must be perfect. Why there is Swami title of the Mahapurush? Swami. We are the masters of this earth. We are servants, but we are hopeful. We can also become masters. And Ananda is in the latter part of the name. Vivekananda, Shivananda. We have realized this, realized the bliss in that. So here is a solution for the world peace, all the problems of the world. And we young people, responsibility is there. National Youth Day, united. We are bubbling with energy, but along with the infinite energy, we must have wisdom also. जोश में होश नहीं होना है. There is no problem of which answer is not there. To every problem you can find answer in your meditation, in your mind state. एक ग्राउंड में एक घड़ी खो गया था, कहीं खो गया था पता नहीं था. तो एक लड़का क्या किया, बाहर साउंड आ रहा है, इसलिए घड़ी का टिकिंग साउंड तो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, तो सुनने लगा ग्राउंड में लगा. तो इसी तरह हमको इसी तरह सुनना है, फील रहता है, बाकी डिस्टर्ब ना करके वन पॉइंटेड होकर सुनना. दिस सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन इज नॉट फॉर वीक पीपल. नाउ यम आत्मा बलहीन लब्ध. Those who are strong in their mind, they can only achieve. So it is challenge to all of you. You are thinking yourself strong enough, but prove it by realizing it.
Thank you very much, sir. I felt I am a drop in the ocean. I have already told you. ज्ञानते हम सब ज्ञानमिदं भक्ष्यं शेषतः जद ज्ञात्वा नियम भयं अन्यत् ज्ञातव्यं विशिष्यते. And you got that particular kind of knowledge, and it would be injustice if I don't sum up the word of Panda sir. As Vedanta says, Tattvamasi, sir already told, तुम जो हो मैं वही हूँ. अयम आत्मा ब्रह्म, मैं ब्रह्म हूँ. सर्वम खड्गिदम ब्रह्मम. Everywhere I find the Supreme God, the Supreme Soul. I am the manifestation of myself. I am the manifestation of God. So in a very versatile way, sir explained in a very simple manner. We are reading physics, we are reading chemistry, we are reading theology, we are reading astronomy, we are reading astrology, we are reading aeronautics. Knowledge is many, but the essence of knowledge is wisdom. If sir will go on talking you like this, it will become incessant. कभी भी खत्म नहीं होगा. ज्ञान ऐसा ही है. ज्ञानाते अहं सविज्ञानमिदं भक्ष्यं शेषतः जद ज्ञात्वा नियम भयं अन्यत् ज्ञातव्यं विशिष्यते. There are many books, अनेका जो पुस्तक है, बहुत सारे पुस्तक है, बहुत विघ्न, बहुत विघ्न है. There are many hurdles in our life. We are getting only 2 years for +2. Then what will do? We will miss the teachers. Our syllabus is prescribed, but knowledge, wisdom is not prescribed. यहाँ से we have to switch the knowledge from different sources. As sir told, I am doing what I am not doing. I am here but I am nowhere. I think that I am doing, but I am actually not doing. Who is the doer? The nature is the doer. Everything is happening inside the nature. जितना भी हम पढ़ ले, अनगत पुस्तक बहुवचन विघ्न स्वल्पंच काल, कितने साल जिएंगे? 100 साल, 200 साल, बहुवचन। इतना वेद है, उपनिषद है, ब्राह्मण है, तैत्तिरीय है, उपनिषद है, we cannot complete. So whatever we are getting, we should write it. We should keep stock of it. I saw it that you are not writing. When sir instructed, you started writing. So every time, whenever you get time, whenever you get any knowledge, you have to write. That's the best procedure to preserve knowledge. I wanted to record it, but unfortunately, I could not record. On flawless English, without any error, I could not find any single error in his English. So it will also become like this. तुम भी ऐसा हो सकते हो. If you go on speaking, if you go on listening, if you are a good listener, then you can become a good speaker. अगर एक अच्छा listener हो, तो तुम एक बहुत अच्छा speaker हो सकते हो. उसके लिए सुनना चाहिए, उसके लिए books पढ़ना चाहिए. And the books, the prescribed books, these are not sufficient. ये बुक समझने नहीं है, बहुत सारे बुक पढ़ो. सर के पास भी एक छोटा-छोटा बुक है. सर मैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हूँ, पढ़ो. How to meditate, the essence of meditation. बहुत सारे बुक्स हैं. You must read books. बुक के सिवा बुक नहीं. Book is our God. So I cannot speak in words what sir told, but I think it has penetrated the minds of our students. We must be benefited. And in favor of Genuine Alliance Gurukul, we offer a small token of love. Student, who is the class captain? 11. Anybody can come. Any student. Any student. Small token of love from our side. Dear Mr. Umesh Chandra Panda, we are writing to express our deepest appreciation for your remarkable contributions to the field of English literature and your unwavering dedication to the principles of Vedanta and Yoga. As the Secretary of Vivekananda Vishwachatana Abhiyam, Sambalpur, you have been an inspiration to many, and your passion for knowledge and adventure is truly commendable. Your impressive journey as a motorcyclist, covering vast distances from Sambalpur to Kanyakumari and from Sambalpur to Gujarat and Rajasthan, is a testament to your courage and perseverance. These journeys not only demonstrate your love for exploration, but also reflect your ability to embrace challenges and push beyond boundaries. Your expertise in English literature is evident in the way you articulate complex ideas and concepts with clarity and precision. Your understanding of Vedanta and Yoga is profound, and your ability to apply these principles to everyday life is truly inspiring. Your commitment to spreading awareness about the importance of these ancient philosophies is commendable, and your efforts have made a significant impact on this life of many. Kindly receive our small gesture of love and appreciation. So, before listening to this thought-provoking speech, I had written this. This is called human clairvoyance. I had not listened to Sir's speech, but I have prepared this article, this gesture of appreciation. So this is called whatever Sir told, whatever he told, the essence is in, and this is written before he delivered the speech. So this happens when you go in a spiritual journey. Your image may be different, Sir's image may be different, I may be a different fellow, but really I am a different man. मैं जैसा दिखता हूँ ऐसा नहीं, तुम्हारे सामने अलग हूँ, दूसरों के सामने मैं अलग हूँ. I am not speaking about me, for everybody. I am playing many roles. I have manifestations. I have many extensions. मेरा बहुत extension है. I am an animal, I am a son, I am a daughter, I am a brother, I am playing different roles. In the society, the spiritual plane also, we are playing different roles. Yes, sir.
So
Karma Yoga. Yes. Karma Yoga.
We'll now organize a quiz program, whatever we discuss. That will be solidified. So we'll ask some questions and distribute the prizes. अब सर इधर आ जाइए. बंद कर दो.
Sir.
रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है.
हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग चली चुका. वीडियो पहला बंद कर दो.